Hello, my name is Bill Sharpling. It's my pleasure to be here at the RAKCODS College of Dental Science. I've been spending some time this morning talking to 15 students who have been attending a short CPD course, a taster for our master's degree programme. My job at King's College London is the Associate Dean for Continuing Professional Development and also Director of our Post-Qualification Education and Training Centre, LonDEC, the London Dental Education Centre. The course we've been doing this morning has been on smile design aesthetics, and I've been talking to interns and local dental practitioners about principles of smile design. It's been a fantastic 1.5 hours so far, and I know we're going to have a great day now learning to do some of the hands-on components. Just to tell you a little bit more about Londeck, where I'm the director. Londeck is on one of our campuses in London, Waterloo area, and it's where we provide our residential home for our master's degree students who are studying on the blended learning route, and it's where we also run some short continuing professional development courses. If you'd like to know more about any of the courses we run at LonDEC, do feel free to visit our website www.londeck.co.uk, and of course if you want to know anything more about what King's is doing for dentistry by way of a faculty, please visit kcl.ac.uk, that's the King's College London website, and navigate to the dentistry pages. I will share my contact details with colleagues here at RAKCODS, and if you'd like to get hold of me or talk to me or have any further questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much.